At Gordon Ramsay. Big portion, I know, but what do you think? Looks like my granddad's knee replacement. Hey, how about this fried rice? I've been waiting for your answer, master. Looks like your eggs have been fried for 2 weeks. Please rate my Midu Vada Sambar in Nirio Chutney. I didn't know you could tweet from prison. Yeah. What do you think of my chicken fajita, mate? Chicken fajita. Just whipped up burgers and egg rolls. What do you think? Burnt egg rolls, burnt buns, dry burger. The only thing missing is a new battery for your smoke alarm entry. Burn! Hi, chef. My mom's beefsteak, one of my favorites. Any thoughts? Please have some. Even your plate's tripping, Juan. As for the dog in the middle, I'm lost for words. Oh! Treating myself to some noodles and shrimp. What do you think? I'm not sure what's more off-putting, your food or your toes. They're longer than your noodles. At Gordon Ramsay, think you can top this? Hashtag grilled cheese god. They look like dog biscuits. Hey Gordon Ramsay, rate my school breakfast burrito. 2 sheets of sandpaper laced with 6 beans. Gordon Ramsay, my first attempt at a sausage omelet. Please rate. Please make it Oh, yeah. Gordon Ramsay, how does my dinner look? Even your dog is not interested. My roast chicken. What you think, Gordon Ramsay? You're supposed to roast the chicken, not take it to the crematorium. Yo,